Now you're going to learn how to add the fractions and subtraction. Sometimes we have, for example, 3 by 5 minus 7 by 8 is there. How to subtract the fraction? So simple way, check the denominator. Denominator same, the score is different. For example, 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8 is there. So denominator are same. How to subtract? The same denominator, write 8 and write this value 3 minus 1 equal to 2 by 8, then the remainder become what? 1 by 4. Suppose 3 by 8 here plus 1 by 8 is there. So you don't worry about when we subtracting two fractions with denominator base are same. So here add 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So denominator same, you can write 8. 3 plus 1 equal to 4 by 8 equal to 1 by 2. But not like that. You see the denominator difference. So you can have two way, take LCM, and I will teach both method also how to take the LCM and bring it applying LCM to find adding the two fraction. Otherwise using cross multiplication method. So first cross multiplication method. So what is the first step? Just cross multiply 8 into 3. Okay. So 3 into 8. You may just multiply. Then 5 into 7. Here what symbol is there? That symbol right here. Then 5 into 7 into 5. So don't change the symbol. Here plus, right plus. Here minus, right what? Minus. So multiply. Then your first numerator number, this denominator. So cross multiply 3 into 8. Then 7 into 5 divided by the both denominator 5 into 8. So you can write 3 8 are 24 minus 35 by 5 8 are 40. That is equal to. Now subtraction is a positive, is negative. So different symbol, subtract and write the greatest number symbol. So 35 by 24, it become 11 will come. 35 is the greatest number that has minus symbol. So minus 11 by 40. This is a one way using the cross multiplication. What is the LCM? LCM make the denominator as same. So you go and take 8 and 5. If you take 8 and 5 LCM, 5 is a prime number. So 8 is a conjugate number. So common multiples. 5, 8, what is the common multiples? 40. So 5 8 are 40. It's a prime number. Suppose it's a prime number, just say fifth double. 5 8 are what will come? 40 will come. So our aim is to change the denominator as 40 for both numbers. 3 by 5 here also 40. 7 denominator also changes 40. How to change? If you take the first fraction 3 by 5, any one fraction multiply by numerator denominator same number, you go and change the value. So 3 by 5 without changing 3 by 5, I am going to multiply numerator by 8. Okay, when 5 8s are 40, so you can apply 8. So 3 8s will come, 24 will come, 5 8s are 40. Now take the second number 7 by 8. There what you going to multiply? You multiply by 5. Here we going to multiply by 5. So 5 7s are 35. Okay, 5 7s are 35. Again 5 8s are 40. So now instead of 3, you are going to subtract 3 by 5 minus 7 by 8. So 3 by 5. Instead of 3 by 5, you can use what? 24 by 40. So both are like fraction. So when it seem to be 3 by 5 and 24 40, but it has equal value. It has equal value. So instead of 3 by 5, you can replace by 24 40. How it has equal value? For example, we have 10 rupees note. We have what? 10 rupees note. Then we have 10 1 rupee coin. So maybe it's a paper, this is a metal. Okay, but the value should be same. 10 rupees, 10 coins, 1 rupee coin also they has what? 10 rupees only. That values are same like that. Here 3 by 5, here 24 40. It seems to be a different fraction, but it has what? Equal value. So like fraction. So equal fraction both has a equal value. So 7 by 8 equal to 35 by 40. So 7 by 5 replaced by 35 by 40. Now see denominator are same 40 40. So now write 24 as such. What is symbol? Minus, write minus. If it there plus, write plus. So 24 minus 35, it become minus 11 by 40. So positive, negative, subtract and write the greatest number symbol. So both are same. You can follow the same adding the two, subtracting the unlike fraction. You can multiply using cross multiplication or using LCM. What do you mean LCM? Nothing but change the denominator into equal denominator. So change into 40, 40. So you can follow any one.